Savory and Spicy Pork Ribs Delight. Let's begin. Sa malakas na apoy painitin ang wok at maglagay ng mantika. Once the oil starts to smoke, pwede na natin ilagay ang mga ribs at i-pan-sear natin ang mga ito. Simply continue stirring until the desired shade of brown is reached. Next, itabi ang mga ribs sa side at maggisa tayo ng bawang until golden brown in color. Then ilagay ang sibuyas and mix everything together until well blended. Next, we can now add soy sauce, then isunod ang vinegar, paminta, oyster sauce, dahon ng laurel, at maglalagay din tayo ng 2 maliit na bottle na Sprite, at konting sugar, then add water until ribs is covered. After that, lutuin until our ribs is tender. After a long wait is over, we can now add chili flakes at maraming red chilies. Guys, nasa inyo na kung gaanong karaming sili ang ilalagay nyo. At this point our sauce should be reduced at minamantika na ang ribs natin. To finalize our dish, drizzle natin ng chopped spring onion. The time has come to enjoy our delicious and flavorful pork ribs, which are both savory and spicy.